One of the reasons why any company, including Maseko, would want to support this initiative is because, in my view, there's a gap in the education system for children to learn and understand about vocational areas such as accounting, legal and finance. If they don't want to go to university, for example, then there's no offering to take them straight into the professional world that's available up until now. And I think that can only be a good thing that every company should be willing to support.
You have to invest. It's like farming. You have to sow and cultivate the ground and plant the seeds and so forth if you want there to be a long-term bounty of well-informed, well-educated, interested, capable people to come in and help sustain you and the whole industry and so forth. And so it is critically important that the industry broadly participates in programs like the Industry Insights, the ability to go and make sure that the future is available both to the kids and to the firms.
One of the reasons I would encourage other firms to get involved with Industry Insights is I think it's a great way to give back to the wider society on one hand. What the Education Training Foundation are doing to encourage these new T-levels, particularly in finance, accounting and the likes, to be taught at a high level is enabling ultimately students to get access to really good quality vocational programs which allow them to be well equipped to go into the world of finance, for example, without necessarily having studied at university. I think that's something that most firms would agree is a positive, you know, and it's only going to directly benefit the wider industry in the longer term. Also, it's just been an enjoyable thing to do. And look, I don't think it takes up a great deal of time and effort. I think it's more about finding the right passionate individuals at your firm and saying, hey, this is a great cause, you should get involved.
I would recommend other companies and employers to take part in Industry Insights for T-levels because I think it is going to provide a future workforce that is relevant to their business. I think a lot of companies now appreciate the search for talent as a challenging one, and if there are obvious signs on CVs like T-level qualifications that are specific to the role they're searching for, that can only make their job easier in building a workforce that's going to be great for their company.
I think it's incredibly important for employers to support Teachers Through Industry Insights. I think having the real life examples and the passion from the people who are actually working in that industry, as well as the fact that things are changing at such a rapid level, I think getting that kind of experience and being able to portray that to students is incredibly important and just kind of will inform them on a completely different level.